Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the HP USB 3.1 x760w flash drive. Now, this is the front side of the packaging, and we can see the flash drive inside a plastic clamshell. There's an authenticity sticker over here, which you can scratch and check. You'll scratch the lower half. Then a couple of highlights or features are present on the bottom. First and most important being the capacity, that this thing is for 32 gigabytes. Then you can obviously use it to store, share, and use it on multiple devices, including laptops. On the back side of the packaging, we have some notes from the manufacturer over here, as well as system requirements and some mention about the warranty. You should always check the Amazon store listing page to get an idea of what exactly is covered under the warranty, as well as for how long. So that's it for the information on the packaging. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. So there you go. Once you tear the packaging, you can get the flash drive in its little plastic clamshell. Place this over here. Place this over here. And it's got a metal body, which makes it quite durable. There's also a little clip at the top, which is spring loaded. So if you want to hook it onto your clothing or keychain, you might just as well go ahead. You can see that the device is rated for USB 3.1, which is the initial USB 3.0 spec. Then on the back side, you have the model number as well as the serial number at the bottom. Just ensure that this doesn't get eroded in case you wish to claim warranty. So that's it for the unboxing of the HP USB 3.1 x760w flash drive. Thank you for watching.